Welcome to the 1997 Software 500 Executive Forum Awards presentation. The celebration of outstanding performance in the software industry, one of the fastest growing and most sustained growth sectors in the global economy. The Software 500, the world's leading software firms with achievements driven by management excellence and with the ability to maintain strategic direction in an industry which seems to change overnight. Software Magazine began ranking the top software companies 15 years ago. This annual issue has evolved to reflect dramatic growth in the software business and a steady increase in the number of key vendors and products. In 1982, our forerunner, Software News, profiled only 25 software suppliers. Five years later, we increased our coverage to the top 50 companies. And in 1992, we expanded the list to 100 vendors. In 1997, for the first time, we have published the Software 500, reflecting phenomenal industry growth. Business worldwide will spend $130 billion on software in 1997, bringing the average to 20% annual growth over the last 15 years. Today's software industry is more complex, competitive, and riskier than ever. Century Technology Group's 1997 Software Market Survey shows that the software market continues to soar, yet is plagued by chaos, rapid change, and widely differing perceptions between buyers and sellers. A snapshot glance at the software industry reveals key trends, problems, and progress, and most significantly, the rapid-fire pace of change. For example, the average data warehouse is currently about 150 gigabytes, but will more than double in size within 24 months. By the year 2005, 100 terabyte data warehouses are anticipated. The groupware market is set for phenomenal growth, from less than 20 million users in 1994 to over 250 million users in 1999. But the real story is the convergence of groupware with desktop application software and email. The World Wide Web's growth has been exponential, faster than the Internet at large. In January 1997, there were an estimated 650,000 websites. A recent study reveals that the commercial Internet intranet market could exceed $24 billion by the year 2000. Concerns over the year 2000 problem escalate. Some experts warn that the only alternative to addressing these issues is going out of business. But year 2000 offers tremendous opportunities to vendors that can provide solutions. The software market is dominated by takeovers and mergers, acquisitions and IPOs. In this volatile atmosphere, corporate IS executives must know which vendors are in it for the long term and why. Software management issues include growth opportunities, product and marketing trends, and buyer concerns about pricing and value. As customers and vendors position for the future, Century Technology Group and its leading publication, Software Magazine, provide the thought leadership to help manage change. Software Magazine is written to help the information executive identify and understand business needs and find strategic software solutions to meet those needs. This conference is about being ready for the future. As we head into the 21st century, we see an information age of abundance, more customers, more purchasing power, more options, and more opportunities, and more competition. Power is shifting to the customer. Information is the new key to economic power, but the power of information technology must be delivered in the service of business. Customers want low-cost, easy-to-manage solutions. To gain competitive advantage, software suppliers must differentiate their solutions based on a positive return on investment. And they must build value-based relationships with their customers. The Software 500 set the standard of information technology for the future. Those companies with a management vision to meet these challenges and opportunities will be the new leaders.
Here to recognize today's software industry leaders, please welcome Editor-in-Chief of Software Magazine, Patrick Porter.